Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the most improved biceps exercises for all. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced weightlifter, it's important to continually challenge yourself and make progress in your workouts. Let's get started. Exercise number 1, Hammer Curls. Hammer curls are a great exercise for targeting the biceps and forearms. By using a neutral grip, you take the stress off your wrist and put more emphasis on your biceps. For best results, use dumbbells and perform 3 sets of 12 reps. Exercise number 2, Concentration Curls. Concentration curls are an excellent exercise for isolating the biceps. They also help to increase the mind-muscle connection, which is crucial for maximum muscle activation. For best results, use dumbbells and perform 3 sets of 10 reps on each arm. Exercise number 3, Barbell Curls. Barbell curls are a classic biceps exercise that will help you build mass and strength. The barbell allows you to use heavy weights, which is essential for maximum muscle stimulation. For best results, perform 3 sets of 8 reps. Exercise number 4, Chin-ups. Chin-ups are a great exercise for the biceps, as well as the back, chest, and forearms. By using your body weight, you can increase the difficulty of the exercise as you progress. For best results, perform 3 sets of as many reps as possible. Exercise number 5, Preacher Curls. Preacher curls are an effective exercise for isolating the biceps and keeping the tension on the muscle. By using a preacher bench, you can prevent cheating and ensure proper form. For best results, use a barbell or dumbbells and perform 3 sets of 10 reps. So there you have it, folks. These are the most improved biceps exercises for all. Remember to challenge yourself, focus on proper form, and never give up. Keep working hard, and you'll see results in no time. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more great content. Until next time, stay strong and keep growing.